Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella right here, and basically what this is a baby safety lock that you can use for a freezer or refrigerator if you guys want to. If you can see for the one that we got right here is from this brand, and then right here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. First thing inside, they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And we see right here, they do provide you guys all the information. And then once you guys do take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So this is what it actually looks like from the front. This is what the back part looks like. So the way how I set it up is actually pretty easy and very simple. All you need to do is just peel out the back part and stick this onto your fridge. So when you do set it up, it will probably look something like this. And all you need to do is push the two buttons on the side if you guys want to take it out. And right here we do have the button for you guys to change the different mode. So right here we do have the one hand operation where it actually locks it in place. But if you guys press these two parts here and push it, now basically work as a normal option. So as do put it back inside, it basically works normally. But once you guys release it, now it locks back in. And you see how it won't come out. And the way how they designed the product is actually pretty cool. It allows you guys to move in different angles based on how your fridge is set up. So if your fridge needs to go forward or backward, you guys can definitely adjust it based on your own preference, which is pretty nice. And if you guys notice, for the one that we do have right here is a gray color. They also have this available for white color as well. So if you guys prefer white, feel free to get that instead. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality baby safety lock that can use to lock your fridge to prevent your kids from actually opening it up. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.